Welcome to online DIAS physics classes. In this age of corona pandemic, offline classes are not going on, so you must be worried about your preparations for civil services examination. If you have decided to opt for physics as an optional, then DIAS has been providing offline classes since last 20 years. But because this year we have not been able to organize offline classes, therefore we have gone for the online classes. Online classes is a great experience in terms of that you receive the same quality education which you would have received in our offline classes without compromising your lifestyle. Here you can learn this, or you can attend the same class which you have been attending in offline mode without coming to Delhi, at your own place and at your own pace and at your time of choice. That is a great advantage. Even if you are working, then also you can watch the classes. But only one thing I request, that these classes must be watched with respect. Feel that you are sitting in a live class. My classes which are being offered through this online mode, they are nothing but the live classes of last batch. Here this whole course includes 110 plus live classes recorded. What do I mean by live classes recorded? Live classes recorded means these are the classes of a running batch. That means students are sitting before me and I have taken a class. In that sense, these are live classes. Physics is a static subject. Syllabus does not undergo a change. Whether I have taught 2 years back or I am teaching now, static content, whole of the syllabus of the physics is static, content is same, it does not make any difference. But every year, so 110 plus recorded live classes, that is one thing. Then there are about 10 classes for doubt clearance, which also have been recorded, which are in the format of solutions of tutorial sheet 1, 2, 3 or solutions of tutorial sheet 4, 5, 6 or solutions of tutorial sheet 8, 9, in that sense. So every batch, few classes are taken live depending upon your requirement, depending upon your questions which you raise through various social media platforms. Everybody who registers with us for online program, they are given an identity and they are made to join a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, you can raise your all questions which I see every day, and if there are many similar questions, then I take the live classes. And many other times I interact with you by telephone or by other social media platforms. Definitely I always welcome the student to my office as well. So let me summarize what we are offering in this online classes. These online classes are basically mentor driven classes. You have got direct access to me through my recorded classes and through phone call, which every day I am available at my office from 2 to 4 every day. Many of the times I am available from 12 to 4. I will write down my number, institute's number. That number you can make a phone call, and there is a landline number at my place, 4103 4400, and institute mobile number 93509 34622. This number I am available before 11 a.m. and after 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and this between 12 to 4 p.m. You can make me a phone call on this. So it includes 110 plus live recorded classes. Second is 10 plus doubt clearance live classes which are also recorded. Then third part of the course is individual specific test series. There are unit tests at the end of every course which are typically given on request. Whenever you have completed the course on mechanics, let us know that you have completed the course on mechanics. We will give you the paper. Then you have to write down the answers to that paper at your own place in the given time, 3 hours duration. Once you have written the test, request us, we will be sending you the solution video. And in the solution video there are clear guidelines how to evaluate that paper. You have to self-evaluate that paper so that you are aware what mistakes you have committed. Our purpose is not to give you certificate and marks. Our purpose is to make you know what UPSC is expecting. So once you are evaluating your answer as per my guidelines, then you will come to know what UPSC is expecting and what you have lacked in your answers. Good. That is how the individual specific test series is conducted. You write down the answers, then you see the solution video and evaluate, self-evaluate. And after self-evaluation, if your marks are more than 40%, that means 100 marks out of 250 marks, then I will request you to upload those answers to our website or send that thing to Gmail, so that I can see that evaluation has been done and I can offer my guidelines. That is how individual specific test series which is inbuilt in the course, and you have to take advantage of this thing. That was the third thing. And definitely fourth component is mentor driven, that I am available to you by phone, for personal visits, and many of the times I myself make a phone call. That is the third way. And my staff keeps interacting with you. So that is a very important point of this whole program, is that I am personally taking interest in your preparation. That is the fourth component. Good. So, and many of you have been asking me about this video count. So one video you can watch, one class you can watch 2 times, and if you are watching after 2 times, then you cannot watch, because permission has been granted only for 2 times. What is this one time? How do we count one time? One time is regarded from the time of login to time of logout. That means, to elaborate this login to logout, which is counted as one attempt, if you log out after 10 hours, then also it is one attempt, and if you log out after 10 minutes, then it is also regarded as one attempt. So be careful of this. Once you log into the video, then give respect to that video. Assume that I am teaching live and watch up to the last. You can go back also in course of time without logging out. So you can keep on seeing a class for 3 hours, 4 hours unless you are satisfied. Good. So that is about the count. Many of you have been asking me, sir, how to start the preparation? My advice to students is that if you are coming from BSc or BTech backgrounds, then best is that you should start from the mechanics. That is paper 1. You should not start from paper 2. But if you are coming from MSc background, then you can start from the paper 2 also, because quantum mechanics is also a mechanics. If you have got some background, then you can definitely start from quantum mechanics. But if you do not have much background, then it's always better to start from the mechanics. So start attending the class from the mechanics. Mechanics has got 4 well-defined units, which I have very clearly made out in my classes. First unit is particle dynamics, which has got 7 videos, 7 classes. Then there is 2 classes for the tutorial sheet solutions. Then unit 2 is rigid body dynamics, which is having 2 classes, 2 videos. Then unit 3, mechanics of elastic media, mechanics of continuous media, which is also having 2 videos, elasticity and viscosity. Then unit 4 is special theory of relativity, which is having 4 videos. So in this sense, 7 videos for the first unit plus 2 tutorial sheets, 9, 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17. There are 17 videos in the course on mechanics. Once you have done the mechanics, along with the watching the videos, you must be in a position to answer the tutorial sheet. For example, TS1, tutorial sheet 1, which includes conservation laws, Rutherford scattering, rocket motion. After 3-4 classes of the beginning, you must be in a position to answer all the questions of sheet 1. So after watching first 4 videos, you should solve the sheet 1. Many of the questions I have solved into the class. Many of the questions I have solved into the last part. Whenever I have said discussion of tutorial sheet 1, 2 and 3. And if you have got any queries, please do ask me also. You have to write down the answers of tutorial sheets. Tutorial sheets is nothing but the collections of the questions of the past 20 years. If at the end of the class you are in a position to answer the questions of the last 20 years, no one stops you from answering the question which will be asked in the 2021 or 22 exam. Good? So my advice is, first watch the videos. After watching the videos, try to attend the tutorial sheet, and after that go through a textbook. One textbook is essential, must. For mechanics, if you have got any book with you, then that book is the best. But if you do not have any book, then I recommend you go through 2 books. One book for general mechanics by D.S. Mathur, and another book by classical mechanics by J.C. Upadhyay. These 2 books will do. They will cover almost 100% of the syllabus of the course of mechanics, and definitely my classes have covered A to Z. Good. First advice, and you must have watched my many videos in our YouTube channel also. First advice is that you must mug up the syllabus. I have analyzed syllabus very clearly everywhere in my classes. You must also know how these 4 chapters are, the 4 units are there, and what chapters are included in these units. Good. So first thing is that you have to remember the syllabus, and accordingly you see that every topic whatever has been mentioned in the syllabus has been covered in these 17 videos of mechanics or not. I hope all the 17 videos covers 99% of the contents whatever is desirable in the course of mechanics. After mechanics, you should go for the course on waves and optics, which includes about 18 videos. All topics have been covered. I have seen in the new portal online.india.com, I have uploaded almost all videos by my personal watching. I have seen my all classes, and I find that it covers almost everything whatever is required from UPSC point of view. So second course you must go through. After mechanics you must go through optics, then electricity and magnetism, then thermodynamics. It will take you about 2.5 months. If you are sincere, if you are doing regular classes, at least 1 class per day, then you must be in a position to master paper 1, all the 4 books within 2.5 to 3 months. And after, whenever you are thorough with this, you must request us. We will give you the test and follow the procedure whatever I have already said. Then you can go for the paper 2. In paper 2, you should start from the definitely quantum mechanics. You must start from quantum mechanics, which have got about 15 classes, 15 videos. Then atomic and molecular physics, which has got about 10 to 12 videos. Then nuclear and particle physics, and then solid state physics, the way they have been mentioned into the syllabus. This way you should proceed for the course. Good. Hope a nice experience. I will be looking forward for your reactions. Best way to communicate with me is a telephone call. I have written the numbers. I am a little old fashioned person who likes and loves to talk with the students on phone. Good. Thank you. Wish you a very happy new year and happy journey.